Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to see some advanced commands of SolidWorks. So I will go on New, select Path, and click on OK. Now in this window, you can see we can go and click on Sketch, and I'm going to draw the sketch. So I'm choosing the front plane. In front plane, I am going to draw this line. So I am going to draw such lines, then this rectangle, okay, then this circle, so I am using all these sketch commands. Okay, now I am going to click on OK. So I get these pictures. Okay, now I want to edit these pictures. Okay, so there is one tool we call it the trim. Okay, here in this diagram you can see here, this is a trim tool. Okay, now we are going to select this trim tool. Okay, trim entities. Now here in trim entities we get here these options. One is the power trim, then there is a corner, then trim away inside, trim away outside, and trim to closest. One by one we are going to see this trim command. So first I will click on this trim to closest. So I am clicking over this. It is close, means this line has been disappeared, it has been trimmed. So if I am going and I am going to click on this, okay, so it has, means this center line has been not completely deleted. Okay, so some part has been remaining. Okay, so again this trim command, we can see that this trim to closest only deletes the extra line beyond this line. Okay, so this is the junction from which this line was extending, and if we click on this line by clicking on trim to closest, it deletes the line beyond this junction. Next, trim away outside. I will click on this command and I will click on this. Okay, okay, by this command what we can do, we can select these two lines. Okay, this one line and this line. Sorry, I'm clicking on this again. I will click on this line, just going again on this trim, selecting this line and this line. Okay, then again click on OK. So what happens in this command, when we trim away outside, okay, if there are two parallel lines, first of all I will draw these two parallel lines. Between that two parallel lines there will be some extra lines. So in this diagram you can see this one is the parallel line one and this is the another parallel line. Anything which is beyond these two lines will get automatically deleted. So I will click on this, I will click on this line and this line. So you can see the outside portion of these two parallel lines has been deleted. Okay, so this is the trim away the outside command. Okay, now again I will again undo this and you can see the next command, that is trim away inside. I will click on this command, then I will click this line and this line and I will click on this. So in this you can see these two parallel lines, the lines which were inside has been deleted. Okay, so this is the trim inside line. Now next is the corner. Okay, so I'll select on this corner command and I will select this line and this line. So here you can see the corner part of these two lines has been deleted. Okay, so this is the trim command. And next there is one another powerful command that we call as the power trim. So I will select on power trim. This is a very much powerful trim command. Okay, now here I will just hold down this drag. Okay, see I will hold down and again this, the things which are unwanted will be deleted. Okay, so see, this is a very powerful trim command. Okay, just you have to hold down and you have to just move this cursor. It deletes all the unwanted thing. So this one is a very, we can say, the powerful line, trim line. So whatever work we are doing, that it deletes. Okay, now again in the same trim, I have to show you another command, that is the extend entities. Okay, now in this extend, I'm going and selecting this extend entities. So what I'm going to select this. Okay, if I'm going to select this line, okay, so I will get here the parameter, what is the length, what is the angle of this line. Okay, so then we have to fix these lines, make it vertical, uh, then then existing relationship with this another line. Okay, so here uh, when we are selecting this line, okay, that is this extend entities, we can select this. Okay, and see here this line which was up to here now has been extended up to this point. Okay, similarly we can do this. Now see, this line has been extended up to this. Now the next is this line. Okay, if you come and uh, make the cursor move on this line and click over here, this line extends up to this line. Similarly, we are coming over here, we will see here there is one orange line. We will click and this gets extends. Similarly, we will come over here and click, it gets extended. So in this way, we can use this command, that is trim entities. We can trim unwanted lines and we can extend the lines. Okay, so thank you for today. I hope you practice this exercise in the softwares. If you don't have these softwares, you can approach me. I will give you the software. Okay, so thank you for today.